Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine all your legal pages into just one page. And the purpose of this tutorial is for those that are in the freemium plan and they want to kind of delay when they upgrade to the starter plan, paid plan in Systeme.io. By you combining these steps into one, then you save yourself 2 steps, since there's 3 steps for the legal pages here in this example that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the privacy policy and the income disclosure in the terms and conditions. So I'm just keeping the terms and conditions page. And to do that, what I'm going to do is first go to my privacy policy page, and I'm going to edit that page. And all I'm doing is I'm selecting the section here and I'm saving this block. And I'm going to save this as privacy policy. And I'm going to create that block. So now that it's created, I'm going to go ahead and safely remove it. Make sure that if you're not sure, make sure that you go to blocks and make sure that you see it there first, because once you remove it and delete it, it is gone forever. So make sure you double check that privacy policy block was saved, and I do see it here. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Then I'm going to income disclosure, and I'm going to edit that. I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to go to the section here, the actual section, and I'm going to select this save. It looks like a disk save, and I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to say income disclosure and create it. So then what I am going to do, go to blocks, make sure that I did save it. And there is my income disclosure, so I can safely go ahead and remove this page. So now I'm going to add them to the terms and conditions, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this terms and condition block. And I'm going to name it privacy policy. Then I'm going to go to my blocks. And I'm going to select my blocks. And I'm going to drag the privacy policy right underneath there. You see the blue line, and drop it. So that's my privacy policy. The next item I do want is the income disclosure. So I'm going to duplicate this again and change it to income disclosure. And then I'm going to my blocks again. And this is my income disclosure. So I'm going to drag it and drop it right there. So now I have privacy, income, and terms and conditions all there. But now these are not going to work. These footers are not going to work, because remember, this was going to the privacy-policy slug, and this was going to the terms-conditions slug, and so forth. So what I want to do now is update these slugs. So first I'm going to go to the privacy policies right here, this section here, and I'm just going to click on it. Click on the settings and scroll all the way down, and I'm going to go to this ID attribute and copy this section here, because what I want to do is for my customers, my visitors, when they click on privacy policy, I want them to go straight to that section. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to fix this menu here. So it's no longer privacy policy. So it's going to be that slash, and it's going to be terms, conditions, which is the slug of this particular page, terms, conditions, then slash, hashtag, and then paste what you copied. Okay? So slash, the name of the page that you moved everything to, in this case is terms dash conditions, and then slash, then make sure you add a hashtag before the section that you copied. Okay, so this is my privacy policy. Now my terms, I want to send them straight to this section here, so I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and go to ID attribute and copy that section. This is the copy button right there. And now I'm going to go down and go to my menu again and take out, well, it is going to be terms and conditions, but I want to take them to that section. So I'm going to go slash and then the hashtag, and I'm going to paste that ID attribute. So that's my terms and conditions. I want them to take them straight to that section. And now I want to go to income disclosure, which is this section right here. I'm going to go to settings, go straight down and copy this section here. Then I'm going to do the final update and go to income disclosure and take this out and type terms, conditions, then slash, add the hashtag, and paste what you copied. Okay, so now let's see. Now I'm going to copy this terms and conditions, and I'm going to show you what we did. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm going to click on privacy, and you see it took me to the privacy section. Then I want to go to terms and conditions, and it takes me to terms and conditions. And then let's go to income disclosure, and it takes me to income disclosure. Okay, this I don't have to worry because I didn't make any changes to the home page, so it should be fine. But as you can see, it takes me straight to that particular section, and that's how you can save yourself on steps and take your visitors straight to that terms and conditions section. And then in your funnel order page, this is the page you want to add. So when they select yes, I agree to the terms and conditions, that's the page, whatever page you name your funnel, okay, that has all the agreements. That's where you want to send them to. So I hope this helps. It saves you some steps, and you can continue adding additional products all in the free plan with Systeme.io.